Special greetings, my dear students. Today we are going to see our ninth chapter, app development. Okay, we are going to see ninth chapter, app development. Already we seen the Python. Okay, already we seen the Python. Here in this chapter we will see app development today and tomorrow. And again I am saying this week itself everything will be complete. Question answer and everything you will get. Okay. Now kindly learn here. In this chapter, what are things we are going to learn? What is meant by app, types of app, mobile apps, commonly used app, and how we will download, how we can able to make own application, okay, and how to install that application. Only this points, 7 points we are going to see. First of all, what is meant by app? App means what? Listen, software app, okay, this all almost similar. Software is used to perform some specific task in a computer. Same task we can able to perform in a mobile also, okay. That software we are calling app, okay. In a mobile we are calling it is a app, okay. The word app is an abbreviation of a application, okay. App is an abbreviation of application, yes, okay. Means in a mobile we are using it as an app, in computer we are using that is a software. If we are using internet, that is a web application, okay. So software, here they give an example. Since smartphone, tablet, other mobile device or nothing but a small computer, almost we are using smartphone as a computer. In a computer what works we can able to do, we can able to perform same work in a mobile also, almost not tough work, less work, okay. Tough software like that Visual Basic, okay, that all application we cannot able to run in a mobile, okay. But less all applications we can able to do, okay. So that only they given. Here they given full, means this chapter full only they given general way, you have to understand, you have to write by your own, okay. Here apps are designed to work different operating system used by various device, and Android app is developed by work on phone, tablet and run on Android OS. Listen, when you're going to the Android application, Android is different and Apple is different. Okay, Android is different, Apple is different. What application we are running in Android mobile, we cannot able to run in Apple mobile. And what software we're installing in a MacBook, Apple laptop, we cannot able to install in a Windows laptop, okay. This is the thing you should know, means both are differ. We are installing application by Google Play Store, you know well, okay. But if you are using Apple mobile, we are installing application by Apple App Store, okay. App Store, iOS. Now types of app. Desktop app. Desktop means app means what? Application, software. Desktop software is used to run in a computer, laptop or desktop we may see. Okay, app can be classified here: desktop app, web app, mobile app. Okay, here whatever you may see. They given word processor, spreadsheet, MS Office, Photoshop, okay, browser. This all are the software, web apps. Okay. Second type is a what? Here it is cut. Okay. Here is a cut. So second is what? Web apps. What are the web apps? Example. Uh, what are the web apps? We may say Google Chrome. Okay. Google Chrome is a software. Without internet, we cannot able to use that. Correct. Now here we are opening PDF in a Google Chrome only, but if you want to use the software, we need internet connection. Email, so email software without internet we cannot able to use, okay. Here they given few examples, okay. Google, if you want to Google, if you want to open Google website without internet, can you able to open Google website? No, okay. So that only few applications are there, without internet we cannot able to open, okay. We cannot able to use. After mobile apps, I think I don't want to say anything, you know more about mobile apps, okay. Here they used what mobile apps you are using: Facebook, WhatsApp, Twitter, Yahoo, sorry, Yahoo Mail, okay. This all are the apps we are using the mobile. Now here few only three application in this page they given. Next page they given two more. Photoshop. In a desktop we are using Photoshop version. Okay, Photoshop, Adobe Photoshop we are using. If you are using a web apps, uh, Pixlr and Sumo Painting, these all are the website we can able to create. Okay, we can able to create what? We can able to edit image. Okay, not only this two, so many websites are available. Okay, so many websites are available. Example. Okay, now see here. Now just I'm opening a photo editor. Just you click. Now in this place, okay, in this place we can able to edit a photo. Okay, in this place we can able to edit a photo. Create a new. Okay, here is the option. Here so many photos are there. Just I'm clicking create new. So we can select the size. Just I'm selecting this. So when we are selecting, automatically here it is loading, you can able to see. Okay, so this is a site we can able to edit, or you can able to open Photoshop. Okay, or mobile apps. In a mobile we can install Adobe Photoshop Expression. Okay, to editing photos. Okay, just I'm closing this tab. Next one, Facebook. Facebook, in a computer there is no software. In a browser only we can able to open FB. In a browser only we can able to open Facebook. Okay, but there is no any special software for the Facebook in a laptop. But in a web, okay, web, this is a web. So this is a web, means this is opening a web browser, correct? Now this is a web. Actually it is in a different language. I didn't select this language, but I don't know how it came. Okay, okay, means now this is a web. Without internet we cannot able to access. Okay, next, in a mobile Facebook app is there, you know well. After MS Office, here we can able to see MS Office. Okay, 2016 access is there, Excel is there. So this all are the Office. Okay, get Office you already learned. Okay, in web also we can use. Okay, in web also we can use Google Docs. Okay, Google Drive is there, we can able to use. Example, kindly see here. Just I'm opening Google here. In this place, when we are clicking, okay, Google products are coming. Okay, in this place we can able to see the docs, Google document. Okay, here you can able to see Google. If I click, now new document will open. Okay, Google document is opening. This is a working in a web. Okay, this is working in a web. Now just I'm closing, no need to go much. And the games, in a solar it is chess, this all things available in a desktop. If you want to more, you may use it more. Okay, if you want, you may use it online also, you may play, and mobile also you may play. Now media player, VLC, MX player. Okay, this all thing just you go through. Okay, this all thing just you go through by yourself. Now classification of mobile app. There are mobile app classified in only in two type. Okay, we may say native apps and hybrid apps. Whenever you are buying a mobile, few applications are there, it is already installed. That apps we may say it is a native app, already it is there. Few application what things we are installing by our own, that is called hybrid apps. Okay, means when we are buying a tablet or mobile or anything, few applications are there, already it is installed, that is called what? Native apps. Example, GPS, dual sim, camera, memory, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, this all called native apps. Sir, what is it? Only this is a difference? No, not only this is a difference. In native apps, without internet connection, we can able to use GPS signal. Means in earth, which place you are, we can able to see with help of GPS without internet connection. Okay, if in your mobile, Google Map is there, it is native. Okay, it is already installed. Now you are not having no internet connection, you are not having internet connection, that time also you can able to see the location. Now hybrid apps, now in your mobile Google Map is not there, you installed Google Map, means that is a hybrid app, correct? Now without internet connection you cannot able to use the Google Map, you cannot able to find your location, but here it is not like that. Okay, that is the difference between native and hybrid. Native already there, hybrid we are wanted, we are installing. Now uses of common apps. First they given education here, education. After, now education, here they given Google Classroom. Okay, after Khan Academy, Cloud. Okay, after Coursera, Udacity, Unacademy. Okay, this all are the apps you can learn freely. Okay, you can learn freely, so many courses are available. If you want to become, if you want to learn a doctor, if you want to become an engineer, that certificate online course is not having much value, but you can develop your knowledge, only that much you can able to develop only your knowledge. Again I am saying Coursera, Mammook, Unacademy, Udacity, after this Khan Academy, this all are the sites you may learn free course. Okay, you may learn free course, paid course is also there, but if you pay the money they will provide certificate, but it is not that much worth for you, but you will get more knowledge, only for the knowledge it is useful. Here Google Classroom, it is for current online class, we are not. See EDX also a good, Byju's, this all are the standard. Okay, Coursera is a popular, most popular worldwide. Okay, EDX also worldwide. Now next one is the social networking. Social, what is in my social network? To communicate with your friends. Social, okay. You can share your views. You can communicate your friends. Okay, those who are abroad, those who are in a country. Okay, that is social networking. Example: Facebook, YouTube. Okay, Vimon, Flickr. Okay, Foursquare. This all are the things. Each is for just a social networking site. Twitter is a popular one. Next, WhatsApp. Now 1.5 billion active users are there, and it is a very popular worldwide. Okay, it is a popular in worldwide. Facebook also, means this all things just you go through once. But here my dear students, Twitter, in Facebook whatever you want you may do, in a, means you may text a message. Okay, you may publish your post, you may post a photo, or you may type and you may send. But Twitter, it is restricted up to only 140 characters. Okay, you can able to type only 140 characters, but now you can able to type up to 280 characters. Just now they doubled. Okay, up to 280 characters you may type it now. But this is a very famous, everyone is using. We can able to follow the big persons. Okay, big persons means it can be celebrity or leader or a sportsman, any. Okay, here few more are there. Instagram also social. LinkedIn is for searching a job. Now if you are searching any job in LinkedIn, you may give your information. They may means those who are in a LinkedIn, those who are searching for give job, they may take pick you. Okay, and this one, Reddit is for vote. Okay, means just simple, sometimes trending coming up based on this only. So entertainment apps, this all for the music hearing, recent movie release, that all things. Banking and finance. Now currently see, Book My Show is for booking a movie shows, that all things no need to explain more, you may write by your own words. Now banking and finance, currently if you want to transfer money or if you want to buy anything, okay, from your own place, okay, from your own place, okay, in a one place anywhere you can be, at any time you may transfer money or you may pay the money or you can buy any essential thing which is required for you, okay, which is required for you. This all are the things, okay, this all are the things in banking and finance. Example, so many mobile apps are there for banking. Each bank they are providing mobile application. Now next one is a money control. This is called trade market. In trade market, you may invest money. Okay, BSC in India, two trade markets are there. That is Bombay Stock Exchange and another one is the NSE National Stock Exchange. Sir, what is meant by this? Uh, Actually, every day trademark will go high and down. Okay, suddenly gold price is increasing, decreasing. Means companies they will invest money in a particular, means if I want to invest money in a BSNL, I can invest today. If the market goes high, I will get profit. If market goes down, I will get the loss. How we will, means in a day 1,000 crores of crore rupee everyone is means many people are investing in that, okay. Now today if I invest in a petrol, okay, ONGC is there. If I invest in a petrol, if I invested 1 lakh, if 1 rupee increased, okay, so in a 1 lakh, if I invest, example, for 1 lakh I bought a 1,000 liter, means simple I'm saying example for your understanding. If I bought 1,000 liter, now 1 rupee increased, 1,000 liter I bought for 1 lakh. So now that value is what? It may be when 1 rupee is increased, 1 lakh 1,000 rupees, correct? Now 1,000 rupees profit for me. If you are buying any product, if the product is 3 rupee, you bought for 300 product you bought, any product it can be, okay, 3 rupees one product, you bought 100 product 300 rupees. Now the price is increasing, 400 gone, 500 gone. Now when it goes to 500, when you're selling today itself, you will get the profit 200, okay, means like that only a trademark is, okay. That one, with help of this money control, you may invest and you may take it, or you may withdraw the money. Next one is the commerce. E-commerce, commercial purpose. Commercial means what? Selling and buying. Amazon, Snapdeal, Shopcluse. This all for the business purpose. We are using business commercial purpose to buy the things. Okay. Okay. Now, how to install app from the Google Play Store? Open Google Play Store. Which app you need? Just type, and when the apps will come based on the rating, you just select and you may install, okay. That only the things. Now building or developing your own apps, okay. So here they given by a website, this how to create an application by website tomorrow we can see, but today we will talk about Android Studio and Eclipse. This both are the SDK. Okay, this both are the SDK, means a software development kit. Android software development kit. Okay, if you want to run Android Studio in your computer, minimum 8 GB RAM must be. Same if you want to install Eclipse in your computer, it should have 8 GB RAM. First thing. And second thing, software size is very large. More than 5 GB only you will get the software size. And second thing, with help of this application, you can able to create your Android application. You can write the code and you can able to create a application. But here they give an option to you, without writing a code, we can able to create a application with help of a website. Okay, now here in this place, Android Studio and Eclipse, uh, we can able to create app with help of Android. Means Android means what? Java. With help of Java only we can able to develop Android apps. Okay, this both are the very famous application. everywhere they are using. Okay, maximum they are using this only. Regarding HTML, CSS, next chapter you will see about what is HTML, what is CSS and all. Okay, XML, extensible markup language. Okay, this all things you may see in next chapter. But now if you want to develop Android apps, you should know the Java, XML. XML is means optional, XML, HTML, CSS, but Java is compulsory. Okay, so here they given simple, they didn't give much information, and they given few addresses. From this addresses we can able to create ready-madely Android application, Android software. Okay, Android apps. Here this all place they just developed with help of website and they installed in a mobile. Okay, regarding this tomorrow we can see, okay, how to develop. Okay, thank you my dear students, thanks for watching, thank you.